So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you how to trade commodities here on BTCC. So first things first, you have to deposit money into your account. So just go to the home page here, press deposits, then either do a fiat deposit or a crypto deposit. Once that is done, go to the bottom, select on the blue trade circle. Then in this top bar where it says USDT, coin, TradeFi, spot, go ahead and select TradeFi. Then once you're here, you can scroll down to where it says commodities, and if you just want to, just go ahead and select one. This is natural gas, but if you wanted to change this, you can go to the top to where it says commodities, then slide this bar to where it says commodities, and then you can trade natural gas, Brent crude oil, or WTI crude oil. I will just keep it at natural gas for this example. You can go ahead and view all about it, and if this looks good, you can go to the bottom and select buy to proceed that way with the transaction. So that is how you guys can buy or sell, or I guess trade commodities here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.